You can take about 9 quarters, JB. 18 goals, 43 the Dogs are over the last 9 quarters. 18-43.
It's been astounding. Their inaccuracy and it costs you badly.
We need the Doggies to kick straight. Over the last 2 weeks, they've kicked 16-36, can you believe? So I think they'll turn that around today.
And we're just going to have faith in what we're doing will get us there.
So we're ready to roll. Good Friday, this traditional game, North Melbourne, the Western Bulldogs.
So some of the conversation this week has been around, reliability. Remind us to ourselves, what is important, what are our priorities for the end of the game.
High footy. Norton was there, Bontempelli quick with the hands, Waitman on the left for the first goal, got it. Swift, wasn't it? Sidewinder down there towards Bontempelli, got rid of his man, it's that easy, runs into an open goal, he's got a couple.
Ugle-Hagan and or Norton! Bontempelli for the hot hand of Waitman. He is up and about.
Compose minds in our front half and keep looking for your angles, but ultimately around the source, there's no harm in territory and getting the ball going our way.
The perfect start to this second half here for the Dogs. Gets close to the man on the mark, but the kick looks good. Brilliant, Mitch Wallace. Flick back handball, Scott with the snap. Put down by Norton, goes and gets it himself, and squeezes a goal. Brilliant.
Hook Simpkin on, got it to Liberatore, funneled it out to the left foot of McRae. McRae sizes it up with a ripper.
Lots of players in the air, Hunter at ground level. Dogs got another one.
Well, left footer, he runs quite straight, not unlike Royce Hart. Beautiful kick, Ugle-Hagan. He gets his first of the day.
Further back is Young. Waitman, can he kick his fifth? Surely he's going to. Cody Waitman. There we are.
For a 62-point lead, no problems.